Hello, my gentle people from the south and the north. God, it's a beautiful day, 80-something degrees here in southern Oklahoma. But I had to go do some kind of work this morning, and I couldn't get away. But hell, it had to be done. But anyway, I'm gonna be shooting the the Marlin 30-30 336. I'm gonna be shooting it out to 100 yards. And the Ruger Precision, I'm going to throw some rounds out to 200 with it. There's no point in shooting that Marlin out to 200. It's not made for that. But anyway, let's get going, and I'll tell you about how it went later. Oh, what the hell did I do? Oh, it's working. This is the 336 Marlin at 100 yards. And I'm not real disappointed in this. I mean, this is just me trying to remind myself how that trigger is. I mean, it's soft. It'll fire. I'm not sure what the inch pull is on that thing, but it's not much. That kind of went off my hand a little bit, but this ain't too bad. I'm telling you, once I got into those bullets, I noticed that they were reloads. The primers were a little different, and I think the guy knew what he's doing, because they didn't affect it too much. I'll take all these shots. They're starting to string out here at the first, but they cool off a little bit. So I got most of those right. I did have to make an adjustment because I was kind of stringing them a little bit left, and I may have pulled them a little bit too far right, but I don't know. I'll take that. That's the Marlin 30-30 XL 336 stainless steel, 100 yards. Now let's go see what the Ruger Precision did at 200.